The U.S. Navy Mammal Program is a military program administered by the U.S. Navy, which studies the military use of marine mammals, particularly bottlenose dolphins and California sea lion, training them to perform tasks like ship and harbor protections and mine detection, etc. Back to 1962, the NMMP was first started for illustrating animals' intelligences at the Navy air stations in Point Muskogee in California. Then what they found was some sea animals have very sensible capabilities to be used performing useful tasks, such as searching for and making objects in the water. The US Navy think those trained animals were reliable, and first put them into the War of Sea Lab 2 project in 1965.
Since the marine mammals can complete the mission more effectively than human divers because of their outstanding underwater vision, hearing, and mobility, they are trained for mainly three missions. First, detecting mines. When dolphins identify any mine-like object tied or buried on the seafloor, they report to the handler and will be given a buoy to release to the location of the object so the troop can clear them. Second, probing intruder. As soon as the sea lions discover an intruder, it will bite him with clamp or handcuffs in the mouth with strings attached so the intruder will be pulled out of the sea. Last mission, retrieve equipment. The equipment were dropped from ships or planes and lost underwater. The sea lions use clamp to carry the equipment back to the handler.
As for survival habits, different reports suggest that bottlenose dolphin and California sea lion belong to K-selected species reproductive patterns, and they are clump-distributed. Dolphins are highly social animals. For example, they will stay with injured or ill individuals. Moreover, they and sea lion are the type 1 survivorship curve, which is of the high population in youth. It seems that they shared similar characteristics in many aspects. Here are some trivia bearing our attention as well. In 2006, Italian fishermen employed improper means to farm fish which destructed the coastal aquaculture ecosystem. In this case, bottlenose dolphin is the victim. While in the United States, the number of sea lions surged and crossed the boundary of the carrying capacity in 2008. 20% decline of populations was recorded in the following years.
As a matter of fact, there are always controversies about military marine mammals. Some people would wonder, are they doing dangerous missions all the time? Actually, there are two programs that the aquatic animals would possibly engage in: mine detection program and a swimmer detection program. We all know that dolphins and sea lions move so quickly in a way that human swimmers in the dark water are located and marked before they notice. Therefore, the dolphins and sea lions are designated to detect and mark the exact location of humans and sea mines. After marking the location, they will be called back right away, and the following procedures will be all executed by the humans, the ships, but not the aquatic animals. So the dolphins are not supposed to carry out any dangerous missions at all. Rumor has it that dolphins are trained and weaponized to destroy the ships and attack humans. Is that true? Nope, it's absolutely false. Since dolphins cannot discern the differences between enemy and friendly swimmers or vessels, this kind of attack decision is always left to humans. We all know that it's truly unwise to give that decision authority to an animal.
From what we have just learned, both bottlenose dolphins and California sea lions are very smart and trainable when compared to other marine mammals. Also, these animals' ability to detect and find targets at depth is something technology cannot duplicate yet. And that's why the military find it valuable to test and train marine mammals constantly. The US Navy is a big player in the ocean, and the Navy's sonar activities have injured and killed many marine mammals. Although national security is important, we think that protecting wildlife is important as well. Therefore, we should focus more on how to minimize harm to these marine mammals while trying to make good use of their abilities. We believe that it's possible for us to strike a balance between protecting wildlife and performing security tasks.